another video. Tonight I'm just doing a little cruise with Nick and Tom to the inlet, and I figured why not record a little POV video. I've been seeing on YouTube that's been popping, and I said, you know, let's go. See if you guys enjoy the little POV action. Let me know, comment down below. But I'm gonna try not to talk that much and just enjoy the POV sounds of the car. I know I'm on the highway right now. You can't really hear much because I'm not, you know, on the streets, but we're going to the inlet right now. It's cold out. It's like 40 degrees. But haven't driven the car in a little bit, about a week. It's been nasty out, and figured let's take it out. Good boost weather. Wow, I'm about to hit 41,000 miles on this. You know what? If you're gonna comment right now, you're probably like, ooh, he's got low miles. Trust me, I know, this is low miles, but since I don't drive this car that much, and don't roast me for that either, because I do enjoy it, trust me. I get to drive it. But, you know, I just got my license. Still like learning the streets and stuff, and there's a lot of idiots on the road. And, you know, I'm just whenever I want to drive it, I'll go out, take pictures sometimes, and enjoy it. But, anyway, yeah, about to hit 41,000 miles. Bought the car with 39,600 something. But miles go so fast, it's crazy. I don't even drive, it's not even like it's a daily at all. It's like a weekend, it's a weekend car. I only drive this car on the weekends. So, the miles go so quick. But, yeah, almost gonna hit 41 tonight. 40,996 right now. 4 miles to go. Maybe I'll title the video, POV night drive, hit 41,000 miles on my blah blah. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. I usually think of the caption or the title like last minute when I'm posting the video. Sometimes I don't understand why people ride your butt. I don't understand that. I always find it in this car too. Maybe I tend to drive slower in this since it's stick. I don't know. But I always find that sometimes, which is annoying. Take a little boost. She moves. Definitely, this weather is great. You just feel the boost so much more. It's crazy. A little underpass action maybe. It's a great sounding exhaust, a Tomei. I don't have a downpipe. If those of you are new to the channel and just started watching, I only have a Tomei Catback, and I love the sound of it, honestly. A lot of people complain that the Tomei is too loud with a downpipe, which it does get very loud since it's titanium, and some people will argue that it doesn't sound good and all that, but everyone's got a different opinion. But since I don't want to mod this car much, motor wise, you don't need a tune for just a catback. Technically you could argue with a shop, you do, but you don't. A downpipe, yes, you need a flash, a cob, or whatever, or a dyno tune if you prefer. You need a tune. But for just the hold on guys, I'm concentrating driving. I don't like these roundabouts at all. Sorry. But for just a catback, you do not need a tune, and it's perfect for me. I always love Tomei. Titanium looks sick, and it sounds great, so yeah, it's a good exhaust. Bought it used. basically brand new but used. Guy had it for 1,000 miles on his WRX. So, yeah. Oh my, I didn't even notice. 41,100 already. Damn, I didn't take a picture. Missed it. Hopefully I got a picture. Yeah, I did. Bumpy roads. Oh my gosh. So bumpy. Pave the roads. Bunny FRS. Nice view. Get out in a second. I'm so cold. I'm gonna sit for a second.